Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my UGRAD series in which I have talked about statement of purpose, how to fill out visa application if you do not have a last name, and I've answered your frequently asked questions. If you haven't watched those videos, I'm gonna link them below so you can watch them. So this video is gonna be about when is USCFP gonna start calling the shortlisted candidates for the interview. When did I receive the call? Where exactly was my interview? At what time was it? It's also going to be about the questions they asked me. How many panelists were there? So this video will revolve around the questions they asked me and not the questions they're going to ask you. If you want another video with all the potential questions that they might ask you, then we can make another video. Starting from the scratch, I received a call from USCFP on 6th of February 2023 at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and they told me that my interview is scheduled on 5th of March 8 a.m. sharp at the Marriott Hotel, Karachi. And after the call, they actually sent me the email, or us email me. They mentioned all the details like the time, the location, and everything एक proper written form में. Yeah, one thing I want to mention here, I didn't receive call पहले दिन पे. I received call दूसरे दिन पे, क्योंकि जो calls होती हैं वो एक दिन में they do not actually call everyone the shortlisted candidates on the same day. वो पूरा एक हफ्ता जो होता है वो calls चलती हैं. तो आई रिमेम्बर जब मुझे पहले दिन पे कॉल नहीं आई थी, आई वाज सो डेवास्टेटेड कि बस मेरी सिलेक्शन नहीं हुई है और बस अब जो है ना यहाँ पे जिंदगी खत्म है. So even if you do not get selected, that's fine. Trust me, Allah would have a better plan for you. लेकिन पहले दिन पे ही आप लोगों ने मेरी तरह होपलेस नहीं होना है. एंड द अदर थिंग इज सिंस आई एम फ्रॉम कराची, तो कराची वालों के जो इंटरव्यूज होते हैं वो यूजुअली थोड़े से लेट होते हैं. मोस्टली ऐसे भी होता है कि जो पंजाब के बच्चे होते हैं उनके बहुत जल्दी इंटरव्यूज हो जाते हैं. लाइक इफ समवन रिसीव्ड अ कॉल ऑन 5th ऑफ February, तो उनके नेक्स्ट वीक से इंटरव्यूज होना स्टार्ट हो गए थे, या मतलब 2 हफ्तों के बाद. लाइक मेरा पूरा एक तकरीबन मंथ का गैप था, राइट. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर मेरा मंथ का था तो आपका भी हो सकता है 1 मंथ का. नो, लाइक प्रोबेबली 1-2 हफ्ते के बाद जो है ना आपको कॉल आ जाए. And then comes 5th of March 2023, 8 in the morning. I went to Marriott Hotel and there were around, I guess, 7 to 8 candidates there. And unfortunately, I was the first one जिसका interview था. So I went inside and it was a panel of 3 people and one of them was a psychologist. और दो जो थे वो इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे. The psychologist does not talk during the entire interview and बाकी जो दो होते हैं वो आपसे questions कर रहे होते हैं. So yeah, the first question they asked me was introduce yourself, to which I replied, I'm Muskan, in my 5th semester of Bahia University Karachi campus, pursuing Bachelor's of English Language and Literature. I have worked as a content writer with blah blah company, and my hobbies are I like DIY craft and something around this. So yeah, this was my reply. So to break it down, I introduced myself in like who I am, what do I do, my work experience, and my hobbies. To be very honest, when you answer the first question, आपको अंदाजा हो जाता है उनके फेस एक्सप्रेशन से that whether you are selected or you are not. So the key is to be very confident in front of them. ठीक है. जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट होता है वो आपको कॉन्टिन्यूसली देख रहा होता है. सो या बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज रिप्लाइंग और मैंने देखा तो मुझे यूं करके देख रहा है. ही वाज लाइक, so yeah, that's a weird situation. Like, and you have to keep up the momentum and you have to keep up your confidence and your head high. But जिनको मैं जवाब दे रही थी, they had a smile on their face. So yeah, it was pretty relaxing. The most of the questions that they ask you are either related to the SOP you have written or the essay they ask you to write. जब आप interview के लिए जाते हैं. So the other question that they asked me was, Muskan, you said you are gonna pursue literature in USA. So tell me your favorite author and why. Why is it that they are your favorite author? So I told them like my favorite authors are Bronte sisters because they broke the stereotypes of that time, especially of women, while still protecting their morals. So yeah, this was a reply I gave him. The other question that he asked me was, it was kind of related to the culture difference. What's one thing that you think that as a Muslim or as a Pakistani that you're gonna do there and the Americans would feel weird about it or something like that. So yeah. not weird about it, but you get the sense, right? That was a question. So to which I replied that I pray and I'm gonna pray there. They're gonna find it like weird, like what am I doing? So to which they asked me the follow-up question was, so how are you gonna explain like what namaz is, or how are you gonna explain it? So to which I replied very briefly, yeah, this was my interview. I know it was pretty short, and then they asked me if you have any question, to which I asked, as an alumna, do you all keep us connected with you, or is it just over after the U grad? So the panelist was someone from the Fulbright, and she was a panelist there. So she replied and said, no, they actually get you connected to other alumni and people, and yeah, that's true, we are still connected, we have other opportunities. So yeah, this was my grad interview experience. The questions that they asked me, it was a pretty short interview. At first, to be very honest, I was very confident that my interview went great, but after, like, जब आप overthinking करते हो, आप घर जाते हो, and I was like devastated and my whole life was ruined. So yeah, to be very honest, your first जो आपका एक thought होता है ना कि जब evaluation होती है ना, whether you did a good job or not, I guess that's actually सही होती है, बाकी you overthink. So yeah. And then after the interview on 19th of March, I received an email that I'm selected as a principal candidate for fall 2024. And yeah, I was over the moon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, please comment down below, or you can also reach out to me on Instagram. If you have any other video suggestions, then sure, drop it down. I see you in next video.